So, as you said, customer is looking for wholesome experience right from when they are starting to interact with the hotel or with the company, when they are searching for the products and services until you have a after sale. So there is a whole journey. So we are using a term called customer journey mapping to map out what are the experiences that the customer will have, starting from the touching the searching the product, contacting the company, getting the products, and then even the after the sale. So that is the customer journey mapping that you are talking about, to map out every touch aspect of the customer journey with us, with the hotel, with the service industry. So, in your experience, what are the process? How the companies will start to think about, or is there any process that they can draft this customer journey map, or is there any tool for that?
Well, you see, it's basically a self-defined process, which
Mm-hmm.
basically comes for experience. We need to understand what is a before that we go further, I should say we should understand what is a customer journey map,
Yeah.
what it is, what are
Mm-hmm.
we talking about. This map is a visual representation of the customer journey.
Mm-hmm.
It helps you tell the story of your customers' experiences with your hotel brand across all the touch points.
Mm-hmm.
When you talk about touch points, it could basically be pre-arrival, at the time of the arrival, during the stay at the hotel, at the departure, and post departure.
Mm-hmm.
So there's a lot of journey. You see, when you travel to a destination on a holiday, you leave your house
Yeah.
and your journey starts. And when does your journey finish? When you get back to your house.
Get back to your home.
That
Yeah.
could be 2 days, that could be 3 days, that could be a fortnight.
Mm-hmm.
If you're going to one destination, two destination, three destinations, depending what your journey plan is.
Yeah.
So there's an entire process that how do you leave? What was your experience at the airport? Was the was the was the airline counter boy or girl pleasant with you, or
Mm-hmm.
did they charge you extra for half kg of luggage? All these things, pinpoints, touch points, add to your experience. But this is not the touch point of the hotel, I should say. The hotel journey starts in a different, I should say,
Different
a
manner.
different
Yeah.
angle,
Mm-hmm.
different manner. So that's the reason that customer journey mapping is very important, because it is a strategic approach
Yeah.
to better understand the customer expectations, and it is very crucial for optimizing the customer experience.
Yeah.
So it is, and everybody, I think most of the things researchers have recently shown that 84% of the consumers feel that being treated like a human
Mm.
rather than number is crucial to winning their business.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
If every guest is treated as a human being, that's what the brands do today.
Mm.
That's what they want to do it. So it's one of the most important aspects of customer experience. What is it? It is personalization. So how
Personalization.
are you able to personalize this thing? So
Mm.
then, and if you talk about the journey, customer journey, and then it has got host of benefits.
Mm-hmm.
If to name a few, I should say it's allowing you to optimize the customer onboarding process.
Yeah.
You are thinking from him
From their
right from
perspective.
pre-arrival.
Mm.
From pre-arrival, that
Yeah.
okay, this guy, somebody is going to make a booking to me. How is
Mm-hmm.
he going to make?
Mm.
So your thought process gets invoked, right? So you are trying to onboard him into your process.
Mm.
Then benchmarking the customer experience desired by their customers again,
Mm.
what they
Mm.
actually receive.
Mm.
The understanding the difference between the buyers as they move from prospect to conversion.
Yeah.
A person who visits your website or makes a call to the hotel to inquire. Now it depends on your website or the call attendant to convert that inquiry into
Business.
business,
Yeah.
materialized business. And then it helps to create a logical order to your buyer journey.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it is very important for you to map the customer journey
Yeah.
across the various touch points, so that each and every touch point is covered,
Mm.
and then your credo, your target objective should be how you can satisfy this customer, how can you exceed his expectations at this point of time, so that he has a flawless, seamless, great experience.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that is the benefits of having a customer journey mapping, or to map the customer's journey right from one touch point till the end of the touch point. So is there any
And why is it so
process,
important? And why is it so
and why
important?
is it
Yeah.
so